Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am traveling to Brazil by myself. I am flying with Emirates and I am in the business class, so let's go and I will show you my seat. A380 baby! Yan. So this is my seat. I'm at the upper deck. Ito yung gusto ko dito sa upper deck, yung compartment na dito lang sa cabin. So ano yung mga naandito sa amenity kit? Tingnan natin. Marami na kaming ganito amenity kit dahil na laging business class or first class si Mike. Tapos lahat ng mga to is from Bulgaria. So itong mga pouches na to or bag or amenity kit na to is exclusively for Emirates. So this one is for men's. And this one is for women. So, so here. Ah, sorry, it's fine.
Mask.
It's fine. Yeah,
Any else for you?
just mask.
How many? Two? Okay.
Nagbibigay sila ng mask and sanitizer. So, ito yung laman na amenity kit nila. So, they have deodorant, Rexona, or baka naman, Rexona.
They're not here.
So, they have this one, supply. They also have this mirror. Mirror.
Yeah.
Tapos, meron silang tissue and dental kit.
They're here.
Yeah. They also have this body lotion. And this one is hydrating face chauviness. Lagay sa mukha. Tapos meron sila maliit na perfume. Maliit na perfume. From Bulgaria. And also, meron silang lip balm. So yun ang mga laman ng amenity kit na business class. Iba naman yung laman ng amenity kit na para sa first class. So yun lang.
Yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good, fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts, I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong, I won't stop to the top, so you better back off and get lost. I'ma stay loud, stay proud, never running out, never heading south. I'll be spreading out, call it word of mouth, can't put me down, I'll be getting loud. You can have your doubts, not what I'm about, have your cloud, it be raining now. I keep making sound, go another round, I'm legend bound, can't stop me now. You don't wanna fuck with me, a slow burn like a disease. Just tell me that I can and I'll show you things that you couldn't believe. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that.
Thank you so much everyone for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. God bless you all and I will see you on my next vlog. Bye!
Just tell